While you're still sleeping, the kitchen staff is already here working on today's meals.
I come in at 6:30 in the morning and I start breakfast. We do about 1,200 transactions a day, and out of those we serve about 800 meals that are actual full meals.
But Ruth can't do this alone. She's an army of workers by her side.
There are people who come in at 7 o'clock and they start to make things for lunch.
There are different jobs and each contain usually 2 to 3 workers. They cook food for the next day, clean to make sure everything stays sanitized, and even prepare frozen foods up to a week ahead. Before lunch, it's all just prepping for the chaos to come.
Call it kind of controlled chaos because it's real quiet in the morning and then it slowly builds up, and then when the bell rings for lunch, it's crazy.
Ruth not only works early mornings, but she does payroll, ordering, making schedules, and she's also responsible for the cafe deposit. After everything is taken care of and completed for each lunch, the kitchen staff is a successful bunch. Hailee O'Connor, DTV News.